I have 1,150 subscribers, but I did it in 3 years. Nowadays, you don't have to wait 3 years to get to where I am. You just need tips on how to grow your YouTube channel and the real ones. So here are 5 tips to grow your YouTube channel in 2024. So if you needed a TED Talk, this is it. I definitely recommend it. They're not gonna subscribe. I gained so many subscribers from that. Your videos, it's really important. Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. If you're new here, my name is Mahitu. I normally film lifestyle, fashion, travel content, but since I'm a YouTuber and I've been living it, I thought it would be so relevant to help other creators, help them with their YouTube journey, and maybe we could find comfort in community, right? So my YouTube is a slow burn. I'm not the one to blow up or anything, but I've seen continual growth in the past months, and that's because I've changed a couple of things. I think it's very important to share with you my little tips. I hope it's gonna help you. So I have my phone with me and I've gathered even more than 5 tips for you. So we're just gonna start right ahead. 1, you need to start anywhere. Start with your phone. You don't have a camera, it's fine. Film in 4K and everything's gonna be fine. The setting should be 4K and 60 frames per minute. You're gonna see it's gonna be so crispy clear. Sometimes I even film on my phone still and it's amazing. So don't think that you don't have a camera and it's not gonna work. Some YouTubers that are now very, very famous, they started with like their iPad. First generation iPad, they started with that. So don't feel bad for filming with anything else. As long as it's quality and you're taking your time, it's gonna work out, I assure you. I bought my first camera when I was around 700 subscribers, and that's because it was Black Friday and I was like, I think it's the best time to buy a camera. That's all, because I could have continued with my phone and I would have seen the growth still. I feel like some people, even now, they have a great amount of subscribers, but they're still filming with their phone. For editing, I would suggest iMovie. In the beginning, it's like the best thing ever. Seriously, I learned so much just from starting with iMovie and then transitioning. Now I'm on Final Cut Pro. But honestly, starting with iMovie helped me tremendously. I definitely recommend it. The most important thing when you start your channel is you have to let go of the fear of being seen and let go of the fear of looking stupid. Everybody's filming and doing it. We have the same kind of journey. We're all filming ourselves in front of a camera, but it's the ones that are confident and a little delulu that are gonna stand out and that are gonna get through the test of time. Because if you feel kind of self-conscious or care about what other people think, you're not gonna go far. So check yourself, work with your confidence, and just stop caring about what other people are doing. Your most amazing supporters, sometimes they might even be strangers. You will probably not even know them, but they're gonna be here supporting you every video at a time. You need to think that you're not doing this for other people, you're doing this for yourself, which leads me to your why. You need to find a why before ever even starting anything, because if you're doing it just for the money, it's gonna be very difficult because it's a lot. It's very demanding to film videos. You need to film the video. Not only that, that's the easy part. And then you have to edit, and then you have to schedule it, and then you have to check the SEO and everything. We're gonna talk about it later. But you know what I mean? It's more than just making money. And I know everybody knows now that you can make money, but you need to find your why. And I feel like in 2024, you need to use social media as a tool to show your why. Let me explain. If your goal is to help people feel confident about themselves every day, you need to film content that shines this goal through. So you use social media to help other people, but you don't use social media to get famous and then help other people. So you need to have a goal, a bigger goal, and use social media as a tool to get to that goal. So next tip is you need to batch film at least 5 videos in the beginning. So you're a new YouTuber, asking people to subscribe to your channel, and you're so excited, you're so happy, and then people click on your link. They look at your channel and there's no video. There's no video, there's nothing to prove that they're gonna like your channel. Will they subscribe? Maybe if they know you, yeah. Maybe if, I don't know, you have another platform that's very like popular and people know you from there, maybe. But if you're a normal person like you and I, like, they're not gonna subscribe. So you need to show them why you're you and why they need to subscribe. So post 5 videos and then share your link. That would help them look the videos, see a little bit who you are, your personality, and then make a decision. Because it's so easy to just be like, you don't even have a video, I'm just gonna leave. You know what I mean? And for the videos, try 5 different videos, but with the same kind of theme. So if you're trying to be a lifestyle creator, try to film one on get ready with me, spend a day with me, how to feel confident about yourself, how to go on a date by yourself, and then 2 others just that you think would work well. One of the biggest tips that I want to give you, and that has worked tremendously for me in literally the past weeks. Honestly, I've seen so much growth. You need to post shorts very regularly. I post shorts every day. It doesn't matter what it is. Of course, you want a cute, fun little short, but you need to work on that title. Basically, you gotta clickbait. You gotta clickbait in a certain way. Try to be like, this is the best, or I can't believe I'm doing this. For example, I filmed a video of myself every month for a year, and it was on this song, See You Again from Miley Cyrus. So my title was, I did this for a year, exclamation point, all caps. And it worked. I gained so many subscribers from that. What you need to understand is that YouTube is trying to compete with every other platform. And what's the most popular platform now? You guessed it, it's TikTok. So they're gonna try to push every short video that can exist in this world. If they see that you're a creator that always posts shorts, you're following what they're trying to sell, so they're gonna push your channel more, your videos more, even maybe your long form videos, because they're like, oh, this one is posting very regularly and they're posting what we want them to post. I'm telling you, you do shorts, just do shorts for a week and you'll see you're gonna gain at least 10 subscribers. If you post shorts and if you post your long content form at the same time, I assure you you're gonna grow. You need to play with your editing and study. These 2 things are very important. So what I usually do is I watch creators that I love to watch. I watch creators that I don't usually watch that are doing amazing. And then I study their editing. I study what I like about their video. And then I try to implement that, inspire myself, and do it in my videos. And I try to see if my audience likes it, if the retention is better. You need to check your editing, because sometimes what you think is well edited and fun, and sometimes it's not upbeat and people will lose interest and stop watching. Look at the features on iMovie or Final Cut Pro and try to play with that. You can use effects, you can play with zooms in, zooms out, zoom ins and zoom outs. There's nothing like zooming a frame. Like, it's just gonna keep your audience watching for sure. Studying is very important. You need to open your YouTube and watch a couple of videos, every video you can, and comment and interact. Just be an interactive actor on YouTube. Yes, it's gonna help you with the studying. You're gonna see more creators, and it just helps to be up to date and see what's going on, you know? Also, when you're interacting with everybody, when you're commenting, when you're posting videos and everything, YouTube is gonna be like, oh my God, this person is really active, and they're gonna push your videos. You see what I'm doing here? Like, you need to be present. You need to be present. Take this project, this opportunity, this YouTube channel like it's your job. Take it seriously from day one, because you never know what's gonna happen, and sometimes it's even better than you expect. So take it as a job and give your 100% every time. Look at your thumbnails, look at other people's thumbnails, try to mix it up with yours, try different things. Go check out the color theory. Go check out the dimensions in the picture that are aesthetically pleasing. those are the things that we don't think about, but they're very, very important. So I always have 5 to literally 10 different thumbnails. I always change them. I often change my titles as well because I study YouTube. I study it like it's another class that I have in uni. Like, it's really important, but it's very effective when you do that. That being said, you need to be best friends with YouTube statistics. YouTube stats are really, really good. They're very helpful. I feel like they're the most helpful out of all the platforms that I have. They literally tell you what works and what doesn't work. They tell you the retention. They tell you everything. Now you have a research type of bar, so you can even study in YouTube stats. So it's your best friend. Check the video that does very well with you and look at what you did differently. Look at what the comments are. If people are like, oh my God, please do more of this, why don't you do more of this? If people really, really like a video and the retention is not that great, maybe they love the idea, maybe they love the overall thing, but maybe your editing wasn't that upbeat or wasn't that eye-catching or doesn't just retain the attention for a long time. So maybe you could mix it up and try different things. So important to be best friend with YouTube stats. YouTube stats are here for you. They really are. And the second you understand that, it's gonna work. And lastly, we're gonna talk about SEO for like 5 seconds, okay? SEO stands for search engine optimization. What I do with my SEO, I have an extension of TubeBuddy on my computer. It kind of shows me the tags that are ranking for me. If you want the pro, it helps you with the title. It helps you see if your description is perfect. Like, it's very, very helpful. I have the free version and I kind of like it just like that. I just use it for my tags. Basically, SEO is gonna help your video rank. What you want is your video to rank, because most likely the problem is not that you don't film quality videos. The problem is that people, they simply do not see you. As much as you film beautiful shots, as much as you're so upbeat, the editing is there, the music is perfect, everything blends, nobody's gonna see you because your SEO is trash or it just doesn't exist or your titles are not enticing. The free sites that I use for my SEO, for example, my tags. Tags are important. Don't let nobody tell you that tags are not important. Tags are important. I go on Rapid Tags. I type in my title and it gives me tags that are relevant, that are popular right now, that would help me rank. Now, I do not just put copy and paste it in my tags. I curate it a little bit more. I try to put the first words, the first tags that I have are the words that are in my title. It's very important. The first tags that you will have need to be the words in your title and in your description as well. The first words that need to be there are the words from your title, because the algorithm will understand that your word is everywhere and they're gonna be like, oh, so it's definitely about X, Y, and Z. So we're gonna put it higher, because if someone searches how to take notes on my iPad, it's gonna be very high up because your title is taking notes on my iPad, and in your description is, hello, I'm taking notes on my iPad and showing you how to do it. And then in your tags, it's how to take notes on your iPad. Easy, done deal. You're good to go. It's gonna help you rank a little bit more and faster. The tags you put in your tag box need to be as well in your description, and that will basically help a lot. The last thing I want to tell you is everybody watching this can do it. Do not think that because I'm this, because I'm that, or I'm not aesthetically pleasing, or I don't have this life, or I don't look like this, I can't make videos. You can make videos. Everybody has an audience and everybody can make it. It's not oversaturated. You only need to show a different version of what's already out there, because everything has been done. Everything has been done, but not everybody's you. Everybody gives something different. That's why we're all different. We cannot be replicated. So if you needed a TED Talk, this is it. You can do it. You're good at it, and never be disappointed. I was at 700 for so long. It was so stagnant. I didn't know what I was doing wrong. Thing is, you're not doing anything wrong. You just need to persevere, do your thing, and one day it's gonna happen. It's been 3 years. I'm a little bit over 1K. It depends with everybody. You just need to enjoy the journey and everything will fall into place when it's your time. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please comment down below if those tips were helpful, and let me know where you are in your journey, what other questions you have for me. I would be so happy to answer. Yeah, let's talk in the comments. So thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Maybe subscribe. I don't know if you want to. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye.